Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security alarm, electronic stability control, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.